this is Katie LeMay here from Sherwood Park Dodge. I'm in front of this beautiful 1500 Ram. It's a Laramie Longhorn. We just got it in on trade. This vehicle has everything. Let's take a look inside. It has that beautiful caramel leather interior. All of your safety features. 12-inch touch screen. Just to take a look in the back here again at that beautiful leather. This vehicle has everything including halo rims, a lift on the back, a tonneau cover. For more information, like pricing, kilometers, please give me a call. That's Katie LeMay at 780-218-5147.